My name's Robert. I'm a student. I study Spanish at university. I get up at 8 a.m. and have a big breakfast. Then I have a shower, brush my teeth, and get dressed. I leave my house at 9 o'clock and walk to university. In the morning, I study in the library for 3 or 4 hours. I don't eat lunch, but I drink some water and have a break from 1:30 to 2 p.m. In the afternoon, I go to lectures. After university, I see friends and practice Spanish. On Thursday evenings, I go to the supermarket to do the shopping. At the weekend, I go to parties with my friends. I go to bed late.